1898. You have a terrible cough. You go to the pharmacy for some medicine. The pharmacist hands you a brand new miracle drug from a famous company. The perfect cure. It was marketed heavily as a completely safe alternative to stronger painkillers, perfect for a cough. For 12 years, anyone could buy it over the counter. People loved it, maybe a little too much. Then, doctors noticed a slight problem. The patients couldn't stop taking it.
It turned out, the safe cough syrup was actually breaking down into something much stronger and more dangerous in the liver.
The worst medical advice in history. The vault remains open.